honor of 4th of July and Cooper's birthday. Aaron's firework disaster, not canon in the Aaron movie and the Aaron Show timeline, just for fun.
Hey Aaron, you did really good cleaning this up.
Hey, should we start popping the fireworks and stuff like that? Yeah, sure, let me get started on that once I start getting the fireworks ready and stuff.
Duckly duckly duck, here we are, you stupid.
Hiya, my friend.
Let's go, y'all made it too. Now this is gonna be even more better. Since y'all are here, can y'all help me set up the fireworks and stuff?
Doodly doodle. I bet.